Welcome to CakeBot's tutorial on multi-wallet fast swaps. Today, we'll dive deep into purchasing and selling tokens with unmatched speed. Navigate to the Buy Token menu. Use the menu to customize your purchase settings. Firstly, choose the wallets you'd like to use for the buy transaction. For this tutorial, we will use all three wallets. Set your buy amount. For multiple wallets, the set amount will be spent from each. Want a custom value? Use the custom option. For instance, inputting 0.001 will spend 0.001 BNB from each chosen wallet. Adjusting slippage. Use the quick select buttons or opt for a custom percentage. In this example, I will use a slippage of 2.5%. Be aware that setting a high slippage can lead to MEV attacks if you don't use the private transaction feature. Private transactions can be activated by clicking the button. When active, a green check mark will be displayed on the button. Enabling this feature will protect your transaction from MEV attacks. Please note that transactions can take longer to mine when using this feature. Our Fail Guard feature checks potential transaction failures before sending, therefore saving you gas fees on transactions that are likely to fail. In this example, I will not be using the private transaction or Fail Guard feature. Next, choose your gas amount. By default, the bot will use 3 GUI, which is the minimum gas required for transactions on the Binance Smart Chain. In this example, I am going to use 5 GUI. Finalize your buy by pasting the token address and hitting enter. The buy settings are auto-saved, making future purchases seamless. Once the transactions have been mined, you'll be notified about the transaction details, including all relevant links. Now let's head back to the main menu and click the Token Balances button to view our tokens. As you can see, each of our wallets has a balance of 3.39 Doge. Token balances are automatically updated in real time every time you submit a transaction through CakeBot. To view your current profit and loss, click the P&L Analysis button. Here you can see your current P&L for every token you are holding as well as your overall P&L. As you can see, we are currently down -0.55% on our Doge buys. This is due to gas fees, transaction swap fees and market price changes. Alright, let's now proceed to sell all the Doge tokens we bought. To start, navigate to the main menu and select the Sell Tokens option. The steps for selling closely resemble those for buying. Here's a brief run-through. Firstly, choose the wallets you'd like to use for the sell transaction, then select the portion of your tokens to sell. Selling 100% means parting with all your tokens, whereas 50% means selling only half. Now, let's adjust the slippage and gas. Once again, I'm going for a custom slippage of 2.5% and a gas setting of 5 GUI. It's time to pick the token to sell. Any token acquired via CakeBot will conveniently appear on the list for easy selection. However, if you've obtained tokens externally, perhaps through your MetaMask wallet, you can manually input the token address. With everything in place, hit Submit Sell. As soon as the transaction is confirmed, you'll receive a detailed notification, complete with all relevant links and details. This concludes our walkthrough on CakeBot's multi-wallet fast swaps. Eager to learn more? Stay with us as we delve deeper into CakeBot's array of features in upcoming videos. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comments, questions, or feedback below.